Here I have OPPO A15s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on 3 lines, then go to the settings, and here you have watermark. You can enable phone, model, and date and time watermark. So now let's try to take a photo, and as you can see, this photo is marked with our watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.